sure he's not going to Obodo to get married?
Mama, he's been traveling to overseas and coming back since he was a child.
Yeah. You know, you are speaking English. You are speaking English. This man with Obodo Ibo abroad. Eh? Are you sure he's not rushing back to meet his first wife?
Mama,
Hmm?
he has never been married. And so far, he's been honest. You have nothing to worry.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. That has been my prayer for you all these years. I wanted you to get married to a very good man who will take good care of you. It has been my prayer. If you say you like him, you love him, I have no objection. It is my concern, my dear. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
Let's come meet him. Oh, let's go. Hey! Sit down. You are welcome again.
Thank you.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you, man.
Whew. Fine man. You are welcome, oh. Let me go inside then and prepare something for you to eat. Oh.
Mama, don't worry.
Ah.
We ate something before coming.
Ah, really?
Fine.
Yes, Mama.
Okay.
Just help us get the marriage list, and they'll be here on Sunday to pick it up.
Hey! Don't forget to tell your uncles as well.
Oh, yes, sure. I'll tell them.
Okay.
But for now, we would have to be on our way.
Really?
I have a lot of things to do.
Safe journey, oh. Safe journey. Take care of my daughter. Take care of my daughter.
100.
Take care of yourself.
Yes, I will. Hi. Mama. Yeah, young man. Take care of my daughter. Thank you very much. Oh, safe journey, oh. Hi. Fine man. Thank God. Bye bye, oh. Uh-huh. Bye bye. Hello. Hi.
Thank you. So my friend, this is royal penis.
What is Mom, stop now, stop.
Alice, how can you be preparing for your wedding without bringing the girl for me to see her? How?
Mom, I already told you. I told you she's a busy woman, so whenever she's less busy, I will bring her for you to see.
Oh, she's a busy person.
Yes.
For her to come and see her mother-in-law, you are telling me that she is a busy person. You know I will not support that wedding if you did not do the right thing. You know that.
I know, Mom. We will do the right thing. I will let her know, so she must come see you for the wedding.
Then bring her.
Okay, I will. Thank you, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Finally, here is the woman you've been waiting for. Her name is Julie.
I thought as much. My daughter, you are blessed.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
So how about your parents?
My mom is fine.
Oh, really? You're welcome once again. Miles, can I have a word with you?
Okay. We'll be back. Alright.
It is time. It is time for us to tell her everything she needs to know before we go and see her people.
Mom, please. That can't wait. Don't worry, I will tell her myself.
Oh, my son, there is no time. You have just 1 month. 1 month to live. You can't bring her and imprison her here. You need to tell her everything.
Mom, you're raising your voice. No, fine, no problem. Can we just go and give her food, something to eat or drink? Please.
Then watch what I will do.
No, don't do anything stupid. No, don't do anything.
My daughter, I am a very open person. And I'm also a believer. I will not want my son to ruin your life.
Mom, stop. Oh, yes, I already told her everything she needs to know.
Really?
Yes.
And what did you tell her?
Everything about me. I told her everything about me, everything about my family.
You told her everything about you?
Yes.
Did you tell her about your health issues? Did you also tell her that you have been battling with cancer of the brain? No, open up. Open up to her.
Oh, Mom, please stop. I am the one that is going to get married to her. Please allow me to tell her everything she needs to know, so she will understand.
So you are going to put gold or silver in your mouth before you tell her, okay? Huh?
I love Miles so much. And his health issues cannot stop me from loving and marrying him. We can help him with our prayers.
Can I ask you one question? When last did you pray? Excuse me.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't tell you this earlier. I was waiting for the right time. Please. No woman has ever loved me the way you love me. Please don't leave me. Please. Please.
I don't think I'm doing the right thing. It's not going to work. Oh, no. I cannot be a widow at an early age.
I'm making my calls. Please. Please speak, please. Oh God.
Nice. Can't you see that you are doing yourself more harm?
Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You are the cause of my problem. After you cause all this. Listen. If I sleep tonight and you wake up, you'll be held responsible for everything that happened.
Can you please stop? What is all this?
Stay away from me.
What is it? Let me get the doctor. Let me get the doctor.
Hello, Francis. I want to see you now.
Francis, where are you going to?
But you won't believe it. Julie just called me to come now.
Julie?
Yes, she just called me.
So what does she want?
I don't know, she was sounding so urgent over the phone. Yes, so I need to go and see her now.
Okay, so hold on. Because she was sounding so urgent on phone, you are rushing to go see her.
Of course now. You are supposed to know now.
No, what? What about her own lover?
I don't know. Maybe she has changed her mind and she wants me back. So let me go and see her.
Francis, permit me to say this. You are very stupid.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I know I'm stupid. Thank you.
And I cannot see your truck. Where did you park your truck?
I parked it somewhere now.
So,
Please, you are wasting my time. I don't have time. I'm in a hurry. Let me go and see. Oh, stop between. Go. I'll see you later when I come back.
Julie, what's going on? What happened? What's going on? Talk to me, Julie. What did he do to you? Julie.
Shut up and get out.
What?
I said, shut up and get out.
Listen, Julie, if he hurts you, trust me, I'll take this up.
Shut up! Get out! Get up, get up!
Something wrong with her. Are you sure she's not suffering from some mental disorder? But she's testing my love. What kind of thing is this?
This is where I park my truck now. Hey! No. I came in. I know this is exactly here and here. I parked the motor like this. Bros, abeg, wait. Okay, I'm very sorry for disturbing you. But I parked my truck here. I parked my company truck here. This is where I parked it here and went there to see somebody and okay, you see my truck?
oh, I did not see anything.
Hey! Wait. It's here now. This is where I parked the truck. I put it. Chairman, sorry. Because did you see a company truck I parked here? I parked my truck here and now I don't understand. Am I on the wrong street? Huh? Did you see one company truck that was parked here?
Two fat men like that. They carry and come out.
Okay. Wait, you see my truck?
Oga,
Oga, where my truck, I beg?
I said,
Oga, where the truck? Where the truck? The truck. It belongs to the company, please. The company where they work.
now they talk so say 2 fat men, then carry and comot.
Hey, two fat men.
Eh,
Where the carry go, Oga?
then carry and then go like this.
Hey! Oga, wait. But you know them? You know them?
No, I think I did pack am before.
Hey, my truck, Oga, please, come on. Hey, my truck. Hey. Uche, I'm dead. I'm finished. Oh,
What is it?
I'm dead.
Tell me now, is Julie alright?
Uche, I'm finished. I'm finished. My own has finished in this world. My own has finished. Oh, Uche. Hey, I just want to go and jump inside River Benue now, please, Uche.
My friend, stop this now. You know that River Benue is very far from here.
Hey.
Talk to me. Did anyone die?
Uche, I'm the one who's going to die now.
Eh?
I'm the one who's going to die now, oh, Uche. I'm finished.
What happened? Francis, stop being dramatic now. Talk to me. What happened?
Uche, I'll tell you.
Okay.
I went to see Julie.
Okay.
Julie refused to talk to me. I tried to talk to this girl. I don't know. I was confused. I got somewhere. I parked the truck and then tried to relax somewhere to get myself because I was running mad. Julie refused to talk to me. You understand? So when I got myself, I decided to go back to the office. I went back to where I parked the truck. I couldn't find it again. I couldn't find the whole truck. How do I explain this? Huh? What do I tell people?
Wait, Francis, wait. See, guy, we need to wake up from this dream together.
You mean the van has been stolen?
Are you not listening to me? I just made it clear to you now that the van is missing. It has been stolen. Huh?
Hey.
As I'm talking to you, I know my village people have remembered me now. They think I've made money.
Which village people?
Because I'm driving truck.
Francis, will you stop? This has nothing to do with your village people, but your stupidity. Francis, I've been telling you, I've warned you sternly about this girl. This Julie of a girl, but you wouldn't listen. Now just imagine. What will you tell the company? No, what will you, that you packed a van and you did not see it?
I don't know what to do now. I don't know what I'll tell them. What do you think I should do now? Just tell me, what do you advise me to do? What do you advise me?
Look, Francis, the only thing left for you now is to go to a nearest police station and give a report. You tell them exactly what happened and then you can call your company and probably explain to them that, I don't know how the van got missing, I don't know, but you can. That's just the only option left for you now.
You're correct.
Yes, that's what you should do now.
Wait, come on, escort me. Let's go.
No. If two of us go, it becomes a crowd. This is personal issue, my brother. You need to go there and face the police. Well, after all, police is your friend and they keep on saying this. They are our friends, but now you need to go there alone and tell them exactly after. I wasn't there where this thing happened, and my brother. Not involve me in all this story now. Just.
But you know, I'm still having trauma right now. I need you to help me so that when I'm talking and writing statements, you assess what I'm saying and writing so that I'll not make mistake and write.
No, Francis. I'm not the man reach that point. Me escort you go police station. No, my brother, just go there and carry your cross. After all, I've been warning you about this same Julie girl.
So you not escort me to the police station?
Am I mad? Go there to do what?
Hey.
See, my brother, you have to carry your cross yourself. After I've been warning you about this Julie of a girl. Don't just stand there now, Francis. Run to the nearest police station.
Okay, but you just give me the address of where River Benue is. Let me go and jump inside. I think that one is better for me. Let me commit suicide now. Instead of going to the police station, I'll go and report myself and they will arrest me and say I'm going to sell their truck and then...
Listen, my brother. I'd rather give you the address of River Benue than to follow you to any police station. You see, man writing on the fine for statement too. Just River Benue is even better safe. At least they will know you died as a hero. It's better, my brother. Even if you die in that river safe, your corpse will not smell. Yes, it's even better than to go and stalk in all of those police cells, those jail. River Benue is better. Maybe I think I'll give you the address. It's 17 naira keke can take you there.
Do you know what's the problem? Do you know what's Do you know what's the problem now? Oh my God. Oh no. You'll be fine. It means there is a problem. Please stop. Please stop. Okay, can you share with me, please? Sit. Stop this now. What's going on? This life is useless. This life is useless. What do you mean by that? It's okay. Stop. Just stop, please. Please stop. What's going on?
Did you go to the police? I think this you came so early. That's why I'm confused.
Back from where? Do I even know where I'm going to? I don't know where I'm going to again. I'm just confused. Walking. It's like I'll go there tomorrow. Yes. It's better for me to go there tomorrow. Let me use today to settle myself and make plans just in case. Listen, Buche, if I go there tomorrow and I don't come back, just help me explain to my mother what happened. Explain to her so she'll know I'm not a thief or an armed robber. Huh? Please. She'll be wondering why the police people arrested me.
Seriously, I'm feeling for that woman. But in this your case, see, no be say to follow you go that police station and they add me. Not because of say I be orphan. But in this case now, the only person that can save you from this situation is that woman that helped you with the driving job. Yes, she's the only person that can save you now from this.
How do I even face her? No, tell me, how do I face her? The last time I saw her, she was telling me sweet, sweet things, and I was telling her bitter, bitter things. No, how do I even face her now?
Francis.
It's not fair now.
Francis.
It's not fair.
What are you talking about? Wait. This thing, has it got into your head already?
I'm sure it has gotten to my head. No, I'm sure, because normally, is this how I used to behave? Is this how I used to talk? No, tell me now. Is this how normal people behave? I've been walking everywhere.
Look, Francis, I understand you. Huh? I really know exactly what you're going through right now. But I think you should stay focused and just be head straight. You talking too much will not make you even think straight for once.
I don't understand. What do you mean by staying focused? As in, how is there any level of focus now that I can be on to see that truck? You said I should be thinking. How straight can I think now to find the truck? I don't understand now. What do you mean by that? I should be thinking straight. All the things that I've been thinking, do you know how they're affecting my brain now? I don't even know what I'm thinking again. I don't even know what I'm doing. Should be praying so I don't run mad. You see how I've been walking under the sun, up and down, round everywhere. I'm looking for truck on that on inside gutter. What kind of thing is that now? Let me go and eat first, in case they arrest me tomorrow. How do I even talk to her? What do I tell her? Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. I I was driving the truck and then I don't know what happened. I disappeared. That's stupid. Okay, I was driving the truck and then I was double crossed by armed robbers. Yes, and they collected my. I don't have strength to injure myself now because I have to injure myself to show proof. Yes, now I have to show proof. Come on now, wound myself, spoil my skin. Okay, I parked the truck on the road. I I tried to buy something, and before I turned, they collected. Let me go there. You can't tell them my mind.
I don't understand. How? Why? What do you mean? What do you mean stolen?
You see, while I was driving, I felt so pressed, so I stopped to use the bush. By the time I came out, the truck was nowhere to be found. I checked everywhere. I couldn't find it, so I reported to the police.
How could you be this careless? Why didn't you lock the truck?
I never knew this would happen. Yes. Terry, please. I want you to help me beg the owner of the truck. Okay, help me beg him to give me some time so I could at least sell the only piece of land I got from my father to replace the money. Please.
That's fine, Francis. You don't have to sell the only thing your father left you. I'll sort this out. But first, you have to write an apology letter acknowledging your carelessness in this.
What? You do this for me?
Listen, just write the letter first, and then we'll pick up from there. I'll sort it out.
Yes, I'll write the letter. Thank you so much.
It's nothing. It's fine.
Thank you so much. Sorry, please excuse me. Yes. What? Mama, oh, okay, I'll meet you guys soon. Yes, I'll be there soon.
What is it?
Mama is sick. I need to get to the house.
I'll drop you.
Thank you very much. I need to go now.
What's wrong with her?
I don't know. The doctor, she said she has a malaria, typhoid, chest pain, waist pain, everything.
Why didn't you take her to the hospital now?
But I did, but I don't have any money, so the doctor sent us back.
Quick. Let's take her to the hospital. Quick. Oh, Mama, sorry. Sorry, okay? Sorry, let's try. Stand.
My daughter, I want to thank you. I want to thank you so much. As you can see, I'm doing well now.
Way better. I'm so happy to see you.
The doctor said I am fine, I am good to go. From the depth of my heart, I say thank you.
It's nothing more.
May God in heaven bless you.
Amen.
My dear, wherever you brought this money spent on me, my Father in heaven will replenish it for you in millionfold.
Amen, Mama.
God bless you.
Amen. I'm happy you're better.
See, some angels are living with us on earth, and you are one of them. Oh, where?
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Thank you, Mama. I'm happy you're better.
God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this your house?
Yes.
You never told me you...
Mama, please come inside.
Welcome, madam.
How are you? Quickly get something to eat.
Yeah, well, madam.
How are you feeling, Mama? I'm sorry, Mama.
Thank you. God bless you for me.
Amen.
I almost died yesterday. In fact, I was at the point of death when God brought you to save me.
Mama, I wasn't the one that saved your life. It was God that saved your life. Through you.
God bless you, my daughter.
Amen.
God bless you.
Amen. Mama, would you want something to drink before the food is ready?
Let me wait for the food. Hmm?
Very well, Mama.
Madam, the food is ready.
Good job, Edith.
Yeah, well, madam.
Let's go eat.
This plate is too big, oh.
Hey. Mama, so I have told my doctor to call your doctor so he can follow up with you. And don't worry about the cost. I'll foot the entire bill.
Try. But you have done enough already.
Mama, enough is never enough once a life is concerned. I want to see a stronger you when next I visit.
By the grace of God, I promise I'll be stronger when next you see me.
That's exactly what I want to hear.
Thank you. God bless you, Mom.
Amen, Mama.
God bless you.
It's okay. I'll handle that. Wait up. What would you want to have for lunch, Mama?
Anything delicious. Fine, I don't want to bother you.
But you have to pick something. Because we have everything in this house. So pick what you want and I'm certain that eat it is equal to the task. Even if it's fufu.
You have everything in this house?
Yes.
Chai. Okay, in that case, I will eat in salad and apple.
Okay. Eat it.
Madam.
Make it with fresh fish.
Oh, madam.
Chai. How did you know I love fresh fish?
Oh, so you do.
This girl, you will not. God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you, mom. Chai.
I have sent them to you. Yes, I have sent them to you. Finish them, oh. Do not tell me you cannot sell. So finish everything that I have sent to you. I have them in bundles, so I've sent them to you. Oh? What is it? What is it? Talk to me. Oh, Ginen, what is it? Yes, go on, speak.
It's not going to work. It's not going to work.
What is not good? Is Miles alright?
He's almost alright.
He's almost alright. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Why would I find myself in this kind of a terrible situation?
Talk to me. What is the matter? What's the problem? What is the problem? You have started again. What is the problem? Talk to me. Yeah. Stop this crying. Please. We have been sitting down here for the past 2 hours. You are not saying anything. You are not talking. All you do is these tears that I'm saying. Has the young man changed his mind? Yeah. Thank God you are here, Lee. For the past 2 hours we have been sitting down here. Julie is not saying anything. All you see is these tears. Please, help me to ask her what the problem is. Let her tell me something.
Juliet, my daughter, what is it?
Yeah. She's still not talking. Are you sure they have not used her brain for money ritual?
Nobody can use her brain for money ritual. Nobody. Adeje Jemba. Yeah? Can you talk to your uncle? I'm here for you. Did you have any problem with your man? Did he say anything bad to you? Or his mother said anything bad to you?
Sure.
Please, follow her quickly before she hurts herself. Eh?
Name, what you are doing to your mother is not fair. It is not fair. Tell me what the problem is. And let me do what I think I can do. Biko. Biko. Talk to me. Hey. Talk to me. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Hmm? Talk to me. I am your mother. Please. Biko.
Mama, I cannot continue with this marriage.
It's a lie. God forbid. You will continue. Yes, you will marry me. What are you trying to tell me? God has put salt into your matter. You want to spit it out? How? You told me that this man wanted to build a house in your name. And what rubbish are you saying? Don't say it again.
You don't understand.
I don't want to understand. I don't want to understand anything at all. Julie, your brothers are in the university. This man is a wealthy man, so hook up. And so that things will be less on you. Biko.
Mama, he has a short life.
Then give him a son. Yes. Give him a son. When you give him a son, the wealth becomes yours. Where's your cook? You're looking at me.
What are you talking about? Mama, there is absolutely no way I'm going to let you push me into doing something I will regret in future. I won't do it.
You have just started. You have just started. He has a short life. Give him a son so that the world belongs to you. And I sing. So you want to tell people now that I didn't bring you up well? You want to put shame on my face? Or where? No, let me know. Tell me. You want to put shame on my face? Just arrange yourself. Give him a son and let the world come. I don't want to hear anything.
Ogo, you came? Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, my dear. You're welcome. Thanks. You're welcome. Yes, sir. How is this? I will sign this. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Is Juliet in, sir?
Yes, she's at the back of the house with your mother.
Okay, sir. Let me. Juliet, I know you may want to hear me out once again, or see me remind me. And all I want to tell you is, I love you with every fiber in me. All I have always wanted is to love and cherish you. I want to spend my life with you till the end of time. And on the very first day I set my eyes on you, you give me more strength to live again, even with my situation.
Bitch. Adego.
Yes. What did she say the problem is?
She did not tell me anything. But I think that his mother must have told her something bad.
Well, thank God it ended in peace. Well, I'll take my leave. Eh?
Thank you. Thank you, Bitch. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Short life. What does she mean by short life? Yeah. Around this girl has not been visiting native doctors. Well, there's a way.
Yeah, this is another project. It's actually a multi-millionaire project. Actually building a hospital.
Okay. But why are you showing me all this? I mean, you took me to the other project where you're building a 5-star hotel, and now to a place you're building a hospital. Why are you showing me all these places?
Because you will need them. You will need them after I must have gone.
Oh no. Don't say that.
I wish I don't have to say it. But it's the truth.
It's okay. Please, stop it. Alright? Please, please, please. Please, please. Please stop this. Please.
I wish you'll marry me. But even if you refuse to marry me, I want you to know that I love you so much. And I will keep loving you. Even in my grief.
Honestly, there had been times I wish there's something I could do to change this whole situation.
Please, your request. Just one request. Before I join the ancestors.
No, please don't say that. You're hurting me.
Please. Just grant me this request.
I came to ask you a question.
I'm all ears.
I heard you're getting married to him.
Yes, tomorrow. Do you have any problem with that?
Are you marrying him because you love him more? Is it his money?
You already know the truth. Nobody wants to remain a second-class citizen forever.
Oh, really? Wow.
Now that you've confirmed it, can I lock the door?
I was offered a job in your office. A position, actually. So I was thinking, Did you resign or they wanted to replace you behind you?